What's going on, guys? Mike D is here. We're here at There's a Difference Auto Body and Frame in Southern California. Orion and Chow are here. We got a $500 hoopty from our buddies down at Circle City Towing. Thank you, Frank. And we're about to get stupid, and it's gonna be sick.
Right there. Look at him, dude.
That's Stan. He's chilling.
Did you just name him Stan?
That's Stan.
Dude, come peep Stan the turtle. Look at him.
Stan the man, bro.
Stan. Oh, dude. Like all you had to do was turn the key, bro.
I need to use it.
Oh, look at that. Power windows. Dude, this is legit. Wait, how much gas does it have? Oh, dude. Good question. It's got a half tank.
Handbrake, half tank, stand, and it runs.
Perfect.
Got a real VTEC.
Got coolant. Does it actually have VTEC? Dude, it literally has VTEC. Look. Is that the solenoid? Yeah. Yo. Oh wait, it literally says VTEC on it. I was just looking for the solenoid, dude. We got mad VTEC right now, legit.
Oh yeah, dude. This is gonna be fun.
Please. That guy might pull it.
Number one rule to getting a $500 hoopty is figuring out if the handbrake works.
Works a little.
Stand my ride or die, dude. Are you kidding me? Look at this. You need to get this. I just tried to turn the wheel, and this sketchy steering wheel cover just spun, dude.
Wow. That was pretty sussy, dude.
He got it in there. Not bad.
Now he's just showing out.
I want to show you, Michael, that I can beat you around. Oh! Hey, dude, this is mine all the time getting the cars. So.
Look, Joe, we're gonna have a showdown.
Do you want dinner on it?
Dinner?
Dinner. Okay, and they're the judge.
Yeah.
They're the judge.
All right.
Oh my god.
The best part is if he crashes it, it's his yard. It's not our problem.
Yeah, he definitely beat you.
You're like, yeah, right.
He definitely beat you.
I just got my own dinner now.
You know, the thing was, you could just tell that his balls were way bigger doing that.
Yeah!
You suck, dude.
Steak is good!
You owe him a dinner now. They shut down the dinner.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
You even throttled after too. I was like, oh shoot, okay. Shake test. We're rolling. Oh yeah, I'll break it back. So he's got a eBay set of Legos here. Oh, you're liking camera, dude. This is not gonna work.
This is totally gonna work.
Yeah,
This is so.
Dude, we're making a Lego tire right now.
Who on the internet just sells giant Legos?
I went on eBay and typed in giant Legos.
Like somebody packed this, and they packed it like strategically.
Yeah,
they do this.
With the same color too.
This is a lot of Legos.
That
Dude,
held
they're
up.
durable.
That held
They're
up.
durable. You saw that, dude? It literally stayed 100% intact. You can stand on it, we can put a car on it. See?
Yeah, but no.
She's like,
It's not gonna work.
I can take my feet and my glasses off as long as they don't go in the sun.
Right, Joe just got LASIK.
Yeah.
Shot lasers in this guy's eyes. Dude, your eyes are blue now.
Really?
No.
You know, she's gonna probably see this video, so I don't think it's gonna work.
Babe, if
Okay.
you're watching this,
You're watching this.
turn it off now.
If we distribute the weight by taking this, cut this out here. We'll cut this piece out far enough down so this will ride on this on the ramp, and then this will go. But then you can put it all the way
So
around
you're saying cut this side of the Lego to match the shape of the wheel. I don't think it's gonna work.
Don't worry, nothing there. We're hungry.
Double or nothing?
Double or nothing.
I'll take it. Here's the question: can you use Legos as jack stands?
There we go.
out.
Let's try it.
Do not try this at home. Ready?
Oh man, this is sketch. Oh, is it gonna break?
Oh. It might break.
What is happening?
Okay, now.
Okay, now.
The small one. It's the small one that didn't hold. It's a small one. but the other ones did.
No, that was so scary.
I told you.
What?
I told you it wasn't gonna work.
I thought we were falling clean off the lift.
But set it back up again.
Oh, okay.
Now, and I'll prove the difference between why it will work. It's the donut one we only do.
It's still not gonna work. Go ahead.
Oh, so we want to go triple or nothing? I'm good with this side. How's that side?
The plate still looks like cheating. Back one is too far back. Okay.
Go.
No, keep going. It's not off.
Wait, it is off.
No, keep going. Oh, no.
Oh,
No.
Ooh, I feel it leaning. I feel
it's off. It's off. See, it held.
No.
It held. It's off.
No.
It held. It held.
Dude, it's off. Keep going down.
What?
You're cheating all the way. Oh, it's off. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God.
See, Legos work.
It didn't work. It buckled.
It still held out. It held out.
I think that you might be able to set the car down on it, which I think it's still buckled, but there's no way you're rolling.
You don't think the wheel will roll?
I don't think it'll roll.
What do you care to wager? Because I'm a bet man.
Now it gets interesting.
He's taking all my money, my food. What else do you want?
Okay, you will let me take your car around the track. Ah! No, not that one! Not that one! Not that one! No! No! The white one.
Or my white car?
No, wait, you're so confident! If you're confident, you're confident!
He's not wrong.
Wait, no!
If we get one complete revolution of the wheel, I'm happy with that.
Considered a success.
That's a win.
Okay.
One revolution of the wheel is a win.
So that means we need to spray paint a line on here and then roll it back.
One line or a bunch of lines?
One line. Don't be trying to pull nothing. I feel like I'm being negative Nancy, but then I feel like I'm just being real about it. I just don't think it's gonna work. We should just build Chow.
Are we building Chow? Chow, is this a good start here for building you?
That looks a little more like it. Big old hips.
What are you guys building? Why are you guys
What
building?
even is this?
Don't worry, dude. We're doing
I've
it.
lost sight of the project here.
Don't you worry about that.
There's a gap here. I'm not sure what.
It's because it's a camel dinosaur. They're very,
Camel.
very rare species. Usually found in Alaska and southernmost parts of Hawaii.
Science lesson with Micah.
Fun Fact Fridays. If anybody out there has a M3 bumper, great. Shuffle. Oh, they hit the bumper?
Your bumper is gone. No, she's gone.
I forgot about the bumper.
He's gone. Yep, keep going. Right there, right there. How's the bumper? It's cheese grated.
This is too legit for us.
Yeah, he said get a pen out. That's
What
where
do you mean?
that's
This
where
is
he
too
lost
legit
me.
for you? This man has a NASA sweater. on.
Yeah.
That's about as legit as it gets. With this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're hitting Lego wall.
No, you got it. You're the driver here.
I'm hitting Lego wall?
Yeah,
What do you
dude,
mean?
can
You're
we-
pro
can we-
too. I didn't even get my license.
Yeah, but
You got
he's
your
dude.
license.
Hoonigan.
It looks like somebody dumped the bottom of a Fruity Pebbles bag all over me. You know what I'm talking about? The dust at the bottom?
You can tell he's a get it done kind of guy.
Thank you!
Hey Micah, what's the dumbest thing you've ever done to a wheel?
Is it this?
Been looking at it.
This is on your list.
This is it.
Look at this. I love the chili on
Yours
it.
is gonna have chili on it. This is bomb.
There.
Seems like you've done this before.
This is what happens when you work in the door industry.
Honestly, looking at it from this angle that is a work of art.
It looks like it's gonna work.
Yeah, that is amazing.
I still don't think it will, but
You
it
don't
looks
think
like
it will?
Dude, look at that balance.
Oh, roll it back this way. We just made a tire out of Legos.
I like PUBG. At least I didn't say Fortnite.
Dude, hey,
Lame.
Fortnite is sick.
I'm out of this video. Gotta get Big Red out the shop. 6-0, baby. Dude, these are lighter than Anki RPF 1s, bro.
Not sponsored. Sponsored by Koenig. Koenigs are clearly better. Oh yeah, dude, that looks so legit.
So that has to go all the way around back to the bottom.
That's how we're measuring one revolution.
The yellow pie cut.
Yeah, the extra pie cut one right there.
Obviously,
Whoa!
What's up?
It's taking it.
Is it working?
Yeah. It's definitely
that's
working.
scary. Oh, it's gonna work. Damn it.
Yes! One rotation!
Oh yeah.
Oh, baby! Yeah! It works!
It definitely works.
It works!
Awesome.
He's even turning on it!
I kind of want to go down the street and see how fast I can go.
Do you think that'll be a good snow tire? It looks like it would have good grip.
Lobster dinner!
Wait, hit that other.
Can't believe it.
I just do right there.
Ready? Did it work?